Good morning, dear students. It is 18 November 2021, and today, from your book Moments, we'll be doing Chapter 10, The Beggar, some extra question answers. And here we go with question 1. How did Sergi recognize the beggar? Answer. Sergi looked at the beggar. His face appeared familiar to him. He tried to recollect where he had seen him. Suddenly, his eyes fell on the beggar's shoes. One shoe was high and the other was low. Now he clearly remembered where he had seen the beggar before. He had seen the beggar in the Sadovia street. Question 2. The beggar was a liar. What 2 lies did he tell Sergi? And the answer is, when the beggar met Sergi for the first time, he told him that he was a student and had been expelled from the college. When he met Sergi for the second time, he told him he had been offered a position in Kaluga, but he had no money for the fare to get there. And now, moving to question 3. What kind of work was given to Lashkov initially? Why did he agree to do it? Answer. Sergi refused to give alms to Lashkov, the beggar. He took him home and gave him the work of chopping wood. Lashkov agreed to do this work, not because he was hungry and hated work. He agreed to do it because of pride and shame and because he had been trapped by his own words. Question 4. How did Olga treat Lashkov in the beginning? Why did she do this? Answer. In the beginning, Olga treated Lashkov callously. She called him a drunkard. She rebuked him. Then she would sit before him and grow sad. She looked into his face and wept. Then she chopped wood for him. She did so because she felt pity for him. Secondly, she wanted to put him on the right path. Question 5. Where did Sergi send Lashkov? What advice did he give him? Answer. Sergi wanted to give Lashkov better, cleaner employment. His friend needed a copywriter. As Lashkov was able to write, so Sergi sent him to his friend. Sergi advised him to work hard and not to drink. He asked him not to forget his advice. Moving to question 6. Where did Sergi see Lashkov after 2 years? What work was he doing then? And the answer is, one day, after 2 years, Sergi came across Lashkov standing at the ticket window of a theatre, paying for a seat. He was wearing a coat collar of curly fur and sealskin cap. Sergi recognized him. Lashkov told him that now he was a notary and was paid 35 rubles a month. Question 7. Was Lashkov not good at chopping wood? And the answer is no. Lashkov was not good at chopping wood. He pulled a piece of wood towards him and put it between his legs and hit the wood feebly with the axe. The piece of wood became unsteady and fell down. The piece of wood again fell down. This shows that Lashkov did not know how to chop wood. Moving on to question 8, and it is a very important question. Write a brief character sketch of Olga. And the answer is, Olga was the maidservant of Sergi. She was good in cooking, and she was STEM-looking, but she was kind at heart. She rebuked Lashkov, but then she took pity on him as he was weak and hungry. She did the chopping work for Lashkov. Olga's kindness had great effect on Lashkov. He gave up drinking and started taking interest in work. Thus, Olga's kindness saved Lashkov's life. That's all for today, dear students. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.